Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. You have a good day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ian.
Happy birthday to you. You big 7-year-old. Love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ian. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ian. I love you.
Me and Zoe want you to have a happy, happy, happy birthday. Love you. Hey, hey. Whose birthday is it today? Is it the little man Ian, or should I say big man? Happy birthday, Ian. Hope you have an awesome day. I'm sure it's really awesome already. All right? You take it easy, buddy. Listen to your dad. Bye. Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday, Ian.
Big man. Make sure you eat lots of ice cream and cake. And your daddy said he's gonna give you $50.
And some candy on that ice cream. Yo.
Hey Ian, happy birthday, buddy.
Hey, good morning, Ian. I hear it's your birthday. You better slow down pretty soon, man. You have so many more birthdays. It's gonna be time for you to start paying some bills, man. You might want to think about that. Enjoy being a kid, bro. Happy birthday. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday, Ian. We love you, Bubba.
7 is the perfect number.
Hope it's a good time for you, man. We're thinking about you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday, little tater tot. We love you.
Getting to be a much bigger tater tot these days.
Hey, happy birthday, E-Man. Coach John, how are you, buddy? I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and many more. Hopefully we'll get to see you guys together.
Happy birthday, Ian, from Team Mom. Have a good day.
Hey, happy birthday, Ian, man. Glad I got the chance to coach you. Maybe one day you'll come play for the Spartans.
I love you.
Only less than 6 months till football season starts again. Giddy up.
Happy birthday, Ian. I hope you have a great day today.
Love you, Ian. Hope you have a great day.
Eat some cake, man. Hope you have a good time. Happy birthday.
I hope you have a great birthday, brother.
Happy birthday, buddy. Coach John, coming from high above Rockport. Wish you a happy birthday, buddy. Take care.
Happy birthday, buddy. We love you.
Milk wagon? I need some milk for my cows. I need some milk for my cows.